الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء المرسلين محمد وأهل بيت الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين سيما الإمام المنتظر الحجة الثاني عشر روحي وأرواح العالمين لتراب مقدمه الفداء أما بعد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي زدني علما صدق الله العلي العظيم اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد وأجل فرجهم. Right, the last lesson of this book in revision is a very easy and an important lesson as well. Now, in this lesson, what we revise is how to make the dual and what is the harakat of a dual noun. So as you know, you have singular, dual, and plural. First question for everyone. In regards to this three examples here, أين المدرس؟ سألت المدرسة قلت للمدرس. Sister Sadiqa, can you tell me the position of the word المدرس, المدرسة, and للمدرس?
Al-Mudarrisu,
Yep.
that will become the subject.
So Aina, what I remember
Is where.
Yeah, where. So what I recollect, Aina is classified as mubtada and al-mudarrisu al-khabar. That's what I remember.
Yeah.
So mudarrisu is ending with a dhamma because it's the khabar. The khabar ends with a dhamma. So here, what I remember, no, so sorry, it's the other way around. Correct. You're right. Aina, it says khabar. Al-mudarrisu is delayed mubtada. Because the word aina is one of those words which has to come in the beginning of the sentence. So aina is khabar, al-mudarrisu is the mubtada, delayed mubtada, and is with a dhamma. So this is marfu. Next example, sa'altu al-mudarrisa. So what is the situation here?
Sa'altu is the verb because you're asking.
Correct.
And the
Who is asking?
Mudarris in whom, so the object is mudarrisu.
Al-mudarrisa. So what is showing that al-mudarris is the object? How is that being highlighted?
The object, because it's got a fatha.
Excellent. It's got the fatha itself. Correct. And in the next example, qultu lil mudarrisi. How would you know what position lil mudarrisi has in the sentence, and why is it coming with a kasra? Qultu. What does qultu mean, first of all?
Qultu is a verb again.
Correct.
I'm not sure about why it is got kasra.
Because the word al mudarrisu, that's li, there's a preposition. So the alif of the definite article is omitted when a preposition comes before it. So the alif is dropped, and this li is harf jar, means for the teacher or to the teacher itself. So this is a preposition. Lil.
That it was sorry, I understood that it was the definite article, but otherwise I didn't understand the other bit.
Okay, so li itself is a preposition. Li means for. Li means for. So whenever li comes after a definite article, the last letter of the noun should take a kasra itself. Like like al-kitabu al-kitabi. Al-kitabu, and then al-kitabi, on the book. Al-kitabi. Now li is a preposition, and therefore al-mudarrisu becomes lil mudarrisi with a kasra because of the preposition li. Is this clear now?
Yeah.
I did not understand the first one. Ain al mudarrisu.
So ain al mudarrisu, here, aina is one of those words. Just 1 second.
Because al mudarrisu is taking dhamma.
Yes. Okay. Give me 1 second. I'll just show you now. Let me show you on the screen if I can. So according to the grammarians, they will say, now the word aina, where does normally aina come in a sentence? Can you say
Aina is
al-mudarris? So can you say al-mudarrisu aina? Normally say aina. So there's certain particles in a language now or nouns which come in the beginning of a sentence. Now the word aina itself, it's a noun which is used for asking questions. Is this clear?
Yes.
Now this noun, it is coming with a fatha itself, but this is one of those nouns which are indeclinable, which do not change. And the position of aina in this sentence is what I said initially. It is mubtada. It is not khabar, it is mubtada. So this aina, whenever aina comes, it comes as with a fatha, but it is the place of mubtada, because aina itself is istifham. It's a particle istifham, asking questions, and it's mubtada.
So we're calling it the subject.
Yes, mubtada.
Yeah.
Or maybe is it khabar muqaddam?
No.
No?
No. And
Can you
al-mudarrisu.
put it badal?
No.
Can
You can't
No.
put badal. Badal means literally when one thing can be substituted by other thing. If you say
Okay.
Muhammad, your brother, your brother can be substituted by Muhammad. But aina
Okay.
means where. Al-mudarris, teacher. They're two different things. Okay.
Okay.
So they cannot substitute each other. So what the grammarians have said, that the word aina, it is treated as mubtada, and al-mudarrisu. So there are some exceptions. Do you remember what we did in this book as well? In book 4, that sometimes you can have the mubtada nakira. Do you remember this? That normally we have learnt that the khabar mubtada should come definite article. Remember?
Yeah.
But in this book 4, we studied, and it said that sometimes the khabar, the mubtada, can be indefinite without alif lam when it's preceded by we did the whole lesson before. Over here now, the word al-mudarrisu is coming as the khabar. Normally, the mubtada and the khabar, both of them should be in the state of marfu. Like, I'll give you an example. Al-kitabu jamilun. Al-kitabu jamilun. Al-kitabu has a dhamma, jamilun has a dhamma. So both of them are in the state of marfu. Is this clear? So over here now, aina is mubtada. Al-mudarrisu is getting a dhamma for it being situated as the khabar. So this is an example of al-mudarrisu situated in the state of marfu, having a dhamma. Sa'altu al-mudarrisa. Here, sa'altu is fi'il and fa'il. Al-mudarrisa is coming as the object. Qultu lil-mudarrisi, I said. For is a preposition. Al-mudarrisu is getting a kasra because of the preposition li. Is this clear now?
Yes. Understood.
So this is what it means about aina itself.
Thank you, Sheikh.
No problem. Sister Siddiqa, is that clear? So the default, so the default harakat of both mubtada and khabar is marfu, dhamma or dhamma tanween itself, depending upon if the noun is coming with alif lam or without alif lam. Right, that's done. Now the next example. Next example is this one here.
Riyalani.
Yeah, hadani, yeah, let's do this example. Hadani, riya.
Lani.
What does this mean? Hadani, riyalani.
These are 2 riyals.
Now, when we say hadani, riyalani, if you look at the front, these are 2 riyals. So hadani is mubtada, riyalani is khabar. Exactly. Khabar.
And they are marfu. Both are marfu.
Exactly. And how do we know that they are in the state of marfu, the nominative case?
Kasras on them.
Alif and the noon with the kasras. Excellent. Alif and the noon on hadani and riyalani. Alif and the noon with the kasra is indicating that they are in the state of marfu. So normally, if you want to say this is a riyal, how would you say that?
Has a real.
Hada riyalun. Exactly. So it gets a dhamma tanween. But in the jewel itself, you don't have a dhamma tanween. Instead, you have a alif to indicate jewel, and the noon, the kasra, is representing that the noun, alif and the noon with the kasra is representing this noun is in the state of marfu itself. Correct?
Yeah.
Next example now. Uridu riyalain. So why has it changed from riyalani to riyalain?
It is mansub.
What's the reason?
Because
Maf'ulun bihi.
Because this is a dhikr.
Uridu is become now a verb, isn't it? So
Uridu
that's
is a
why
verb,
it's
yes,
become
correct.
real. I want 2 reals.
Correct. So riyalaini is coming as what in this sentence? As a
Maf'ulun bihi.
Now this is becoming like the khabar now, isn't it?
no. When a verb comes and a do, when you have a
Yeah.
verb and a doer have an object.
It's mansub.
Yes, it's mansub, it's object. I want, what do you want, Sister Sadika? You want 2
reals.
Exactly. So when you want something, that becomes the object. So riyalaini is the object. So whenever a noun which is indicating or two things or 2 objects, from riyalaini, the alif and the noon with the kasra will change to ya and a noon with a kasra, and the previous letter will always be a fatha. Riyalaini. So this is the object of uridu riyalaini. If I wanted, says the Sadiqa, 1 riyal, how would you say that? I want 1 riyal.
Uridu riyal.
Yep.
Will change to riyalain.
No, fatha
No.
tanween. Just a fatha tanween. Uridu riya, lam will have a fatha tanween. Riyalan.
Riyalan.
Yeah, so when it's one now, when it's a singular, it gets a fatha tanween. Uridu riyalan. But when it's a dual, it becomes from riyalani to riya.
Laini.
Excellent. Is this clear now?
Yeah.
Anyone having a question on this? No? Okay. Final example. Ishtaraytuhu, I bought it. Who is buying it? Ishtaraytuhu.
It's me.
Exactly. It's I. I bought it. How many riyals do you buy it for?
2.
2 riyals. Now, exactly. The word, any dual nouns, they share the same harakat in the situation of nasab, mansub, and majroor.
Jar.
So riyalaini, and even a preposition is coming, it still remains biriyalaini. So the marfu, so the mansub and the majroor ending is the same for a noun which is dual. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And that's the whole pretty much lesson now. Thank you for that, Sister Sadiqa. And let me bring Sister what's going to be next? Sister Wajda, can you do the next examples? Qara'tu
Yes.
kitabaini.
Qara'tu kitabaini. I read 2 books.
Explain what's happening here.
It's Qara'tu, I read is a fail, and kitabaini is the maf'ulun bihi. Like whenever the question is like what did you read? So then the answer is and this is right here is mansub. Kitabaini.
Correct. And what is the original of kitabaini?
Kitabani.
Correct.
And raja'tu ba'da yawmaini. I returned after 2 days. So raja'tu fail, and ba'da is what is it called?
It's an adverb. It's an adverb, and it always comes mudaf.
What is it? Time and place. It's the time and place. I forgot the
So, and the noun after always comes with a kasra.
after always. That's always after that. It's what is it called? Mudaf ilayhi. Yeah.
Yes.
This is mudaf ilayhi here, so that's why it is yawmain.
Yawmain.
Ja'a mudarrisani jadidani. Two new teacher came. So jadidani here is the adverb, which is not man'ut. It's accordingly to mudarrisani. Jadidani, the same. And Samaitu hadal khabara min iza'ataini. I heard this news from two radio stations.
Excellent.
So min is harfe jar here, and after that is majrur is iza'ataini.
Thank you for that. Is that clear? That should be straightforward. Right. I'm going to ask who's there? Sister Mukarrama, can you do number 2, please?
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam.
So,
أحدهما والآخر.
أحدهما والآخر. One of them and the other. لي أخوان أحدهما طبيب والآخر مهندس. I have two brothers. One of them is a doctor and the other is an engineer. I don't have the book. Go to the next page. The feminine is إحداهما وأخرى. لي أختان إحداهما مدرسة وأخرى ممرضة. I have two sisters. One of them is a teacher and the other is a nurse.
Brilliant. And the vocabulary, please?
I'm sorry. Mufidun, useful. Mukhaddatun, pillar. Tafsirun, commentary. Zabiha, yuzabbihu, to slaughter. Sharaha, yashra, who to explain. Junayhun, pound.
Yep.
Hypocrite, zu wajhaini, comb, mushatun. The Prophet's biography is siratun. Button, zirrun. Mirror, mir'atun. Thief, lissun.
Excellent. Okay. That's the end of the points to remember. Now, the lesson itself, I'm going to ask, who's there? Let's bring Sister Sayyidah Huma Zadi and with Sister Munira. Sister Huma Zadi and Sister Munira.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Le abun. Kam suratan hafizta ya Bashirun.
Ya Bashiru.
Ya Bashiru. The father.
I have to do.
Yes. So translate as well, please.
How many surah did you memorize, O Bashir?
Excellent.
Hafiztu suratan wahida. I memorized one surah.
Abun. Wakam suratan hifsta ya Umaru. And how many surah did you memorize, O Umar?
Ana hafiztu suratain. I memorized 2 surahs.
Mawiyat. Ya Abati, O father. Ja'a al-yawma mudarrisani jadidani. O father, they came today. 2 new teachers came today. Ahadahuma lil fiqhi wal akhira lil hadisi. One of them is for fiqh and the other one is for the narrations.
Ya abati, qara'atul yawma kalimataini jadidataini في هذا الكتاب. Oh Father, I read today two new words in this book.
Alabad. Mahuma, what are they?
هما المشط والمخدة. Those two are comb and pillow.
Arafta Manahuma? Did you ask the question?
No, do you know its meaning?
Yeah,
Araf-
do you know the meaning? Yeah. Arafta Manahuma, do you know the meaning?
نعم سألت المدرسة فشرح لي معناهما. Yes, I asked the teacher and he explained to me their meaning.
Thank you for that, both of you sisters. Jazakallah. Next two people I'm going to ask is going to be Sister Mukarrama with Sister Sadiqa.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Continue from Sister Sadiqa. Can you become Bashir? From Na'am, become Bashir. And Sister Mukarrama will become Al-Ab.
نعم سألت مدرسة فشرح لي معناهما. Yes, I asked the teacher and he explained it to me.
Bismillah. أنا الآن أذهب إلى السوق. I am going to the market now, just now. أتريدون شيئا? Do you want anything?
أريد دفترا. I need 2 books.
No, or read the Daftar, one book. Daftar is one book.
I want a book.
Yeah.
عندي دفتران وأريد دفترين آخرين. I have got a notebook, but I want 2 more notebooks.
عندي ملفان صغيران وأريد ملفين كبيرين. I have 2 small files and I want 2 big files.
من أين لك هذا القلم الجميل ذو اللونين يا بشير? From where did you get this beautiful pen, which has 2 colors? Oh, Bashir.
اشتريته. I bought it.
بكم اشتريته? For what price did you buy it?
اشتريته بريالين. I bought it for 2 riyals.
Excellent. Okay. So, Sister Parveen Naqawi. Thank you for both sisters. Jazakallah. Sister Parveen Naqawi, can you come on the mic, please?
Yes, Maulana.
Can you explain this on Ta'ammal Ma Yali? Point number 2. Ta'ammal Ma Yali. Read and remember. جاء المدرس أتيت المدرسة ذهب.
So, okay. Read and remember. Marfuun Ja al Mudarrisu. The teachers came. Ra'aytul Mudarrisa. I saw the teacher, because it is the object, so it is in mansoob condition. Zahabtu ilal mudarrisi, because of the harfi jar, it is majroor, so it comes with kasra. Ja'al mudarrisani, that is dual. 2 teachers came. Ra'aytul mudarrisaini. I saw 2 teachers. I saw the 2 teachers. Zahabtu ilal mudarrisaini. I went to, no, Zahabtu ilal mudarrisaini. He went to 2 teachers.
I went.
Oh, Zahabtu, yes, I went to 2 teachers, sorry. ذهبت.
And the next example, جاء المدرسان رأيت مدرسين ذهبت إلى المدرسين. Explain the harakat. Compare this with جاء المدرس
So,
and جاء المدرس. Explain this. This is
so
the one you explain.
okay. Ja'a mudarrisani, that is marfu because of the ani. And
No, ani, no. That's wrong. If you say because it's marfu because of ani, no, say the alif and the noon with a kasra. This
alif
is
and
the
noon with kasra.
This,
So
both of them are alamatul. They are alif is a sign of
marfu.
alif, and the noon with a kasra. Both of them together is a sign of marfu.
Right. So alif and noon with kasra is the sign of marfu.
Yep.
So it is in marfu state. Ra'aytul mudarrisaini. So fatha on the letter before, and ya and noon with kasra is the condition of either mansoob or majroor, because it doesn't change from mansoob to majroor. It stays the same. So it will be mudarrisaini.
So the excellent. Right. I'm going to ask
Sheikh, can I say this like Ja'al Mudarrisani, this is fa'il, and Ra'aytul Mudarrisaini, this is maf'ulun bihi.
Yes.
Yep.
Dhahabtu ila al-mudarrisaini maf'ulun fihi.
No.
No fihi.
How is fihi? Fihi. What does fihi mean? Maf'ul fihi.
Means after the preposition.
No.
Majroor.
No. This is
maf'ulun bihi.
No. But it's a preposition that ilah. When ilah comes as a preposition, it's jar and majroor.
Yeah, jar and majroor, but we
It's
cannot
not
say
maf'ul
maf'ul
bihi.
fihi.
No.
No.
Maf'ul fihi, even though it says maf'ul fihi, I'll give you an example. Istayq. Okay. Let me give you an example. Dhahabtu yawmal jumu'ati. Dhahabtu yawmal jumu'ati. The word I went on Friday. The word yawmal jumu'ati, maf'uli fihi, it's adverbs. All adverbs, if they come after a verb, they are in the state of mansub because they are indicating the time and place where the action has taken place. That is called maf'ul fihi.
Like amama and bada?
These are, yes, that is right.
Okay.
But they can be nouns as well, like yawm al-jumu'ati, sabahan, masa'an. All of these are maf'ul fihis.
Thank you.
Okay. Right. Sister Wajda, can you do 2 examples from these, answer the following questions and make them dual? Kam akhallaka, I have two brothers. How would you say that?
Li akhawani.
Number 2.
Kam kitaban indaka? How many books do you have? Indi kitabani. For things, we will use indi. For person or relative, we use in li.
Correct. Thank you. Sister Mukarrama, can you do 3 and 4?
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kam taliban jadidan ja al-yawma. How many new students came today? Kam darsan
No, answer.
baqiya.
2 new students came today. Say that. So
okay, 2 new students came today. Kam taliban jadidan ja al-yawma. How many new students came today? 2 new students came today.
Yeah, not in English, in Arabic.
Ja'a Talibani Jadidani al-yawma.
Excellent. So you bring the verb first. Ja'a Talibani Jadidani al-yawm. Correct. Number 4.
Kam darsan bakiya fil kitabi. How many lessons are left in the book? So I'm not sure, Sheikh, how many lessons are left. Shall I say just 2?
Yeah, so you say bakiya fil kitabi.
Bakiya fil kitabi darsani.
Excellent. That's it. Bakiya al-kitabi darsani. Excellent. Thank you. Sister Sayyida Homazadi. Bismillah. Number 5 and 6. كم طالبا خرج من الفصل and كم رجل مات في الحادث.
كم طالبا خرج من فصلي? How many students went to the class? طالباني من
خرج خرج طالباني. Yep.
من الفصل.
خرج طالباني من الفصل. Correct. Number 6.
كم رجلا مات في الحادث? How many?
This is an accident.
How many men died in the accident? مات في الحادثة رجلان.
مات or you say مات رجلان في الحادث. That you could say that way as well. مات رجلان في الحادث, in the accident. Brilliant. Thank you, sister.
For the last one, can I say Mata fil hadithi rajulani?
Yeah, that's fine. You can say that as well. Mata fil hadithi rajulani. That's perfectly fine. Right. Can you do Sister Sadiqa next too? Now here in this example, then the dual nouns are coming in the state of mansub. So instead of in the ending with ani, it should be ending with aini, ya, and a noon with a kasra. So 1 and 2, sister. The question is, I will ask you, kam lughatan ta'rifina. How many languages do you know? The answer will be, I know 2 languages.
A'rifu lilugataini.
أعرف لغتين. Correct. كم سورة حفظت يا صديقة?
Hafizti
حفظت.
Hafiztu surataini.
حفظت سورتين. Correct. Sister, who have missed? Who hasn't had a chance yet? Sister Parveen, Bismillah, come on the mic. كم رسالة كتبت يا عفوا كم رسالة كتبت يا برفين؟
كتبت رسالتين.
كم حية قتلت يا أمتي؟
قتلت حيتين.
Excellent. Sister Munira, next one. كم دفترا اشتريتي يا أختي؟ كم دفترا اشتريتي يا أختي؟
اشتريت دفترين.
Yeah, excellent. كم سؤالا سألك المدرس؟
سألت.
No. The question is كم سؤالا سألك المدرس? How many questions the teacher asked you? So you will say سألني المدرس سألني. So the question the teacher asked you.
المدرس سؤالان.
Nope. Object.
سؤالين.
سؤالين. Correct. Sister Huma, Bismillah.
كم طائرة رأيت في المطار?
I saw 2 airplanes. رأيت
طائرتين.
رأيت طائرتين. Correct. Next one. كم منديلا غسلت أختك?
How many handkerchiefs did your sister wash?
So you say, my sister washed 2 handkerchiefs. So أختك has to change to my sister. How would you say my sister?
أختاني.
No. The word mindil, that has to change, not my sister. You say غسلت أختي.
غسلت أختي منديلاني.
منديلين. Correct. غسلت أختي منديلين. Sister Mukarrama, 9 and 10.
كم مشتا تريد؟ كم مشتا تريد? How many combs do you want? أريد مشتين. I want 2 combs. كم مخدة على سريرك? How many pillows are on your bed? على السرير مخدين. On my bed are two pillows.
مخدتين.
مخدتين.
Yeah,
على السرير مخدتين.
correct. To answer the following question using مثنى بكم هل اشتريت المجلة يا آمنة. Okay, let's bring Sister Sayyida Huma with Sister Mukarrama. Sayyida, can you ask the question, please?
Shall I ask the question?
No, let Sister Huma Zaidi ask the question and you can respond to them.
بكم ريالا اشتريت المجلة يا آمنة.
Al-Majallata ya Amina. Al-Majallata is the object.
يا آمنة. How many reals did you buy the magazine, O Amna?
اشتريت مجلة تين بريالين.
Riyalaini, correct.
بكم دولارا اشتريتهم هذه الأزرار يا إخوان.
Azrar was buttons.
Yeah. For how many dollars did you buy these buttons, O brothers?
اشتريت هذه.
No. Ikhwano is plural. Ishtaraytum is you all. So when it's you all, how much you bought this? So you have to say we bought them. So you have to answer in plural.
اشترينا
Correct.
هذه الأزرار
Excellent.
بريالين.
Excellent. Sister Homa, you stay on. I want to get next person, Sister Munira. Sister Munira, Sister Homa is going to ask the question and you're going to answer. Sister Homa, Bismillah, continue. Become Rubiya.
بكم روبية اشتريتنا
اشتريتن
هذا المشتى يا إخواتي. For how many
rupees
did you buy the comb, O my sister?
Plural, sisters.
No, إخواتي.
Yeah, أختun is sister, akhawati is sisters.
Okay, O my sisters.
اشتريتن
Nope,
هذا
same mistake again. اشتريتن is you all. So when you ask the question to you all, you answer we.
اشترينا
Yes.
اشترينا هذا المشتى بربيتين.
بربيتين, correct. And last one.
بكم جنيها اشتريتي هذه المرة يا أمي. For
Okay,
how
here
many pounds did you buy this mirror, O mother?
اشتريت
Yep.
هذه المرأة بجنيهين.
بجنيهين. Yeah, بجنيهين.
بجنيهين.
Yeah.
بجنيهين.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Sister Munira, you asked the question and Sister Parveen Naqvi answer 5 and 6.
जी
بكم لغة كتبت العنوان على الظرف يا علي? How many language did you write?
The address on one is the address on the envelope.
On the envelope. Oh, Ali?
كتبت العنوان على الظرف باللغتين. I wrote the address in 2 languages on the envelope.
Okay. من كم بابا خرج الطلاب من الكلية? Who come? From how many doors did the students entered?
Exited.
Exited from the college.
خرج الطلاب من بابين. Students left.
No. خرج الطلاب من الكلية خرج الطلاب بابين من الكلية.
जी खरजत तुलाबु min babaini min kulliyati.
Yeah, or you could
The
say خرج
students
الطلاب
left.
بابين, you could say خرج الطلاب بابين من الكلية as well.
जी, the students left from the two doors of the college.
Yes. Right, thank you. Sister Parveen Naqawi, you asked question to Sister Sadiqa. 7, 8, and 9. Go ahead.
7. إلا okay. قرأت هذا الخبر في
No. إلى كم صيدلية؟ إلى كم صيدلية ذهبت يا حامد؟
Oh, that is 7. Okay. Kam sadaliyati zahabta ya Hamidu. To how many pharmacies did you go, oh Hamid?
ذهبت إلى ذهبت إلى صيدلين
No, صيدلية تيني. After the ta, add a ya and noon. تيني.
صيدلتين.
تيني. صيدلية تيني. إلى صيدلية تيني.
صيدليتين.
Number 8. في كم صحيفة قرأت هذا الخبر?
Translation?
In how many papers did you read this news?
قرأت هذا الخبر في صحيفتين.
في صحيفتين. Excellent.
I read it in 2 papers.
Yeah, or you could say قرأت هذا الخبر. Yeah, that's fine. في صحيفتين. Correct. Perfect. Number 9.
بكم جامعة درست? How many universities in how many universities did you study?
Sister Homa Zedi, can you answer that question, please? Sister Homa. I studied in 2 universities.
Yeah. Jamiata.
No, Darasto. Start from I studied. Darasto
Jamiatani.
Darasto Jamiatani. Sister Parveen Naqvi. Ask next question to Sister Homa.
Kam jamiatan fi baladikum. How many universities are in your country?
In my country are 2 universities. So you have to start with the preposition
fi baladakum.
No,
fi baladina.
في بلدنا
جامعتين.
في بلدنا جامعتين. Excellent. في بلدنا جامعتين.
So you studied in every university of the country.
Okay. Right.
For number 9.
Yep.
If I said درست build, can I add build?
Yeah. درست you could say بجامعتين.
You can add bill, right?
Yeah. درست I said at 2 universities بجامعتين.
Okay.
Right, okay, change the red words to dual. I'm not going to do that. I just want you to read it. So I'm going to ask Sister Sister Sadiqa to read 1 and 2. Sister Parveen Sayyidah Homa read 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. Parveen Nakhwi. Bismillah.
في بيتنا ثلاثة.
No, ثلاجة.
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 Change it? Or just read it?
Yeah.
Change it. في بيتنا ثلاجتين.
ثلاجتان.
ثلاجتان.
Translation: in my house are
2 fridges.
Correct.
دخل بيتي البارجة.
Listen.
Entered the house.
دخل بيتي البار. Listen. So a thief entered.
Entered
the file of دخل. A thief entered. دخل listen.
دخل listen. Okay. دخل بيتي entered the house. باrijata.
Al-barihata means yesterday.
Barijata
Al-barihata.
Lisani.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
رأيت في مكتب البريد برقية لك. I saw a telegram for you in the post office. أشتري مترا
سأشتري
سأشتري مترا من هذا القماش. I bought 1 meter.
Present tense. سأشتري, I am buying, or I will purchase.
1 meter of the cloth, of 1 meter from this cloth.
From this cloth. So change both of them, barqiya and mitr, to as objects in June. So رأيت في مكتب البريد برقية becomes برقية.
رأيت في المكتب مكتب البريد
برقيتين, correct.
سأشتري مترا من هذا القماشان.
So no, the word mitr, the one in red, that will change. So it becomes mitraini.
متراني من هذا القماشي.
هذا القماشي. Excellent. Sister Parveen, can you do the next two, 5 and 6?
जी जी ذبح أبي دجاجة. It is in mansub because it is object. So father, my father killed the chicken and دجاجتين. ज़बह okay, so ज़बह तो वो दजाजतैन हो जाएगा.
Correct.
It's subject. Ashrabu kuban minal labani kullu yawmin. I drink a cup of milk every day. So it will be ashrabu kubaini minal labani kulla yawmin.
Correct.
So I drink 2 cups of milk every day.
Sister Mukarrama.
In the riyalan, I have a riyal. In the riyalani, I have 2 riyals. Uridu riyalan, I want 1 riyal. Uridu riyalani, I have 2 riyals. I want 2 riyals.
Riyalaini.
Shall I continue?
Riyalaini.
Thank you.
It will be riyalaini.
Yeah,
Riyalaini. I want 2 riyals.
Sister Muna'ira, last 2, and that's be the end.
Shall I continue? اشتريت هذا الزر بريالين. I bought this button for 2 riyal, for بريالين, for 1 riyal. اشتريت هذا الزر بريالين. I bought this button for 2 riyals. أعرف لغة. I know a language. أعرف لغتين. I know 2 languages.
Brilliant. Thank you, Sister Munira. Finish off the last 2, and that will be the end of the class today, inshallah.
في بلدنا لغة واحدة. In our country, there is 1 language in our country. في بلدنا لغتين واحدة. هذا القلم.
No, it will be لغتين, not واحدة. واحدة will be finished because
لغتين واحدة.
No. في بلدنا لغتان.
Okay, لغتون. في بلدنا لغتان واحدة.
No, واحدة means 1 language. واحد only comes when you say لغة واحدة. If you say dual, you cannot say 2 language and 1. You can't say that. It makes no sense. في بلدنا لغتان.
في بلدنا لغتان. Finish. واحدة, I don't read, right?
Oh, yes, no need.
هذا القلم.
can add إثنان.
yeah, إثنان لغتان can be used.
Yeah, you could say, you can say, no, no. If you say ithnani, that's wrong. You say fil baladina lughatani ithnataini. Ithnatani.
Isnatan.
Ithnatani.
But here,
Yeah,
we
because
just
it
have
is
to
female.
change raid.
Yeah.
Since we are supposed to change raid, so I just changed raid. So هذا القلم بدولار. This pen is $2.
Yep.
هذا القلم بدولارين.
بدولارين. Excellent.
كتبت
That's it. And
كتبت رسالة إلى أبي. I wrote a letter to my father. كتبت رسالتين إلى أبي. I wrote 2 letters to my father. يكفيني الآن جنيه. What is يكفيني?
sufficient. Yakfi means sufficient.
It is enough. For
Yeah,
me, it is
enough.
enough now.
No,
$2
£2
2 pounds.
is enough for me.
1 pound is enough for me.
Yep.
So فيني الآن
يكفيني.
جنيه.
يكفيني.
يكفيني
Yeah.
الآن جنيهان.
Yeah.
جنيهان.
Correct. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad. So inshallah, I'm going to give you, I'm going to do one more session next week. The next session, what is going to be, it's going to be on just all the verbs in book 4, and I'll practice the verb conjugation of book 4, and then after that, khalas, then no more book 4, inshallah. So only one more lesson just on verb conjugation, and that's it, inshallah, okay? Any questions?
And you will give us a test?
Yes, I'll send it a test as well. I don't have to do the test after the verbs. I could do it before that. So inshallah, next couple of days, I'll send you the exam paper as well, inshallah.
Thank you.
Okay, jazakallah.
Can
Thank you.
can we do another class tomorrow?
Can we do another class tomorrow? Tomorrow. Let me have a look.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
People ran out.